I'll quickly walk you through on how to transfer video files from a laptop to an Android phone. Let's just get right into it. This is the screen of my laptop, okay? So the first step you need to take is to use the cable you use in charging of your Android, all right? Connect one port to the USB port of your laptop and another one to the USB port of your Android phone. Okay? Once this connection is made, you may hear this sound. And the video setup is captured. You can see it right now. The setup I want you to make. So preferably, use the cable that was issued to you when you bought the Android phone, because it has what you call the data cable feature. So it's not all cables that can transfer. Okay, so once you connect it, you may see this pop up, this file transfer. Just tap on that button. So this will put the Android in the mode of accepting file from laptop or making it possible for file to be transferred from the Android into laptop. What if a situation you don't see that pop up on your own Android device? There is a way out, okay? So once you connect with cable, drag down from the top left, right of the Android screen, okay? So that is where we call control, but it's at the top left. You will see some options, and one of them here is USB file transfer. So tap on that. So in some cases, you may see charging, but make sure it's this Android system section. Then tap for more options. Once you're taken to this kind of page that you are seeing right now, what you need to do is that anyone that is file transfer, tap on it. All right. So if maybe you find yourself on this option, this no data transfer, for example, if you find yourself there, you're not going to be able to transfer file. All right. So what you need to do is to tap on that charging in this device or anyone here on that system. So once you tap on this place, you need to select file transfer. Okay. So with this, you have enabled this device to be able to transfer file from your laptop to the Android device. All right. So let's get back to the PC screen. So here am I on my laptop screen. So let's start the file transfer. I'll click on my file explorer. I will navigate to where the video is. So let me go to the downloads folder in this case. Then I will pick one video from here. Look at this intro, outro, create playlist on Facebook. I'll click on that. So once you click on the video file, click on the copy option here, the icon, or you can still right click on the file, on the video file, and select the option of copy. So once that video file is copied, get to this PC. All right, click on that. You will see the name of your Android device here. Double click on that. So once you double click on that, you may see this internal shared storage. Double click on it again. So this will give you access to the files and the folders you have on your Android device. Say for example, I want to just drop it here. I will right click, then I will select paste. So with this video now is now transferred to my Android. I am on my Android right now. So let's get to that video we transferred from laptop. So I will swipe up. Then once I swipe up, I will get to File Manager. Look at the application here. I will tap on it. So on tapping on it, I'm placed on the recent section. The configuration may be different depending on the version of Android you're using and the type of Android phone. Alright, so here I need to tap on Browse. Then on tapping on Browse, I will tap on My Phone. On this My Phone, I will tap on Internal Storage. Then I will scroll down on this page. You can see Outro Create PL. So that's the video we moved from laptop to this device. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can scan this QR code here to get my book on how to use a computer or computers, which covers this kind of task as well. Thank you.